Hi everyone, in this session I am going to discuss the next topics in oblique projectile, range, maximum range, etc. Let us start. Range. What is meant by range? The maximum horizontal displacement covered by oblique projectile is called range. So, let us draw the diagram. Here, body is projected from this point. It follows the parabolic path. See, this is initial velocity. This angle is theta. So this is starting point and this is ending point. This is highest point. Right. So during the time of flight, the body traveled from initial point A to final point C. So the maximum horizontal displacement covered is called range. Okay. So how to find this range? Horizontal displacement. To find this, we have to take horizontal component of velocity and time, total time taken by projectile. See this range R is equal to ux into t, horizontal component of velocity, and t, time of flight, total time. See, ux, u cos theta, time of flight, what is the formula? 2u sin theta by g. So, from this, we can write u into u square, 2 sin theta cos theta, sin 2 theta by g. So, this is the formula for range. Right? When the range will be maximum, if I project a body with velocity u with different angles, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, etc., then when we will get maximum range? You see the formula for particular velocity u and value of g, these two are constant. Sin 2 theta, when it is maximum, the range will be maximum. So, sin 2 theta is maximum, that is sin 2 theta is 1, for which angle we have to find. Therefore, when sin 2 theta is maximum, what is maximum value? Sin plus 1. Okay. So, then sin 2 theta is equal to 1. It is nothing but sin 90. Write in sin values. 2 theta is 90. Then theta is equal to 45. For this angle, we get a maximum range. When range is maximum, if body is projected with 45 degrees angle with horizontal, then the range will be maximum. So therefore, R maximum, how to find? So this is u square into sin 2 theta, sin 90, it is 1 by g. So this is u square by g. Here from this formula we can write R is directly proportional to the u square. So this is note, that is R maximum. So theta 45, this is the R maximum value. In this same case 45, what is the maximum height traveled by body? We will check. You see this is H maximum. So H maximum formula is u square sin square theta by 2g. Then what we will get here? Sin 45, 1 by root 2. Then sin square 45, 1 by 2. So we will get u square by 4g in this case. Theta is 45, then H maximum U square by 4G, R maximum U square by G. We can relate this R maximum by 4 is equal to H. H maximum is equal to R maximum by 4. Let us continue few more topics in the next board. For given same velocity, range is same for complementary angles of projection. See that applications. Here u is the initial velocity of projection. Let us, body is projected first with theta 1 angle, second case with theta 2 angle. So theta 1 comma theta 2 are angles of projection. Angles of projection. Then here range is same. R1 is equal to R2. What is that condition? Therefore, theta 1 plus theta 2 is 90 degrees. Complementary angles. What is meant by complementary angles? Sum of the angles is equal to 90. Both are called complementary angles. Then theta 2 is equal to 90 minus theta 1. Let us take one angle is, it is theta, then theta 2 will be 90 minus theta. Let us see the range formula. R1 I am finding. Body is projected with theta. From this formula, range u square sine 2 theta by g. It is angle is theta. R2 is equal to u square sine 2 into 90 minus theta. So this is sine of 2 into 90 minus theta. Sine 180 minus 2 theta, it is sine 2 theta only. That is g. U square sine 2 theta by g. R to this. R1. Same values we got. Therefore, R1 is equal to R2. When this will be a body projected with same velocity and different angles, then those two angles of projection are complementary. Then this is possible. In this case, H1, H2 we have to find. H1 is equal to u square sine square theta by 2g. First, angle of projection theta. Second, angle of projection 90 minus theta. We will get u square sine 90 minus theta. Sine square. U square sine square 90 minus theta by 2g. Now we will get u square cos square by 2g. U square cos square theta by 2g. Then H1 plus H2. It is u square by 2g common, sin square theta plus cos square theta, it is 1. We will get the relation. Therefore, h1 plus h2 is equal to u square by 2g. So then, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is the relation we got. Let us continue. Find time of flight in two cases. T1, it is 2u sin theta by g for angle of projection theta. Next, T2, angle of projection 90 minus theta. 2u sin of 90 minus theta by g. We will get this is 2u cos theta by g. T2. You see the relations T1 and T2, common terms are there. 2u by g, 2u by g. We have to divide equation 1, equation 2. Equation 1 divided by equation 2. We will get some relation. T1 by T2 is equal LHS of these two equations. RHS 2u by g, 2u by g cancel. We will get a tan theta. Okay. So this is the relation between T1 and T2. H1 and H2, R1 and R2 we got. Find T1 into T2. What we will get? Therefore, T1 into T2, it is 2u sin theta by g into 2u cos theta by g. 4u square sin theta cos theta by g square. Now you see that u square sin 2 theta, then we can write this 2 into 2, then we will get u square sin 2 theta by g. We will get 2 into r by g. So T1 into T2 is equal to 2r by g. Next, one more thing we will get. From this relation, we can write T1 into T2 is directly proportional to R. 2 comma G are constants. Next, in the same way, H1 by H2 I am finding. H1 we got u square sin square theta by 2g. H2 u square cos square theta by 2g. U square by 2g cancel in both terms. Sin square theta by cos square theta. We will get tan square theta. Here H1 plus H2 we get u square sin square theta by 2g plus u square cos square theta by 2g. We will get u square by 2g. So this I am writing 1 by 2 into u square by g. What is this u square by g? R maximum. So R maximum by 2. From this relation we can write R maximum is equal to 2 into H1 plus H2. Therefore R maximum is equal to 2 into H1 plus H2. Continue in the next board. H1, H2 I am finding u square sin square theta by 2g, u square cos square theta by 2g. So from this what we will get? U square into u square, u to the power of 4, sin square theta cos square theta by 2 into 2 4 g square. So from this relation we can write this is in the form of range. How to write? You see that I am taking root h1 h2 value. What is that? Root h1 h2. Do square root on both sides of this relation. We will get u square sin theta cos theta by 2g. Okay na? Right. So here multiplying by 2 divided by 2, I'll get 1 by 4 into u square sin 2 theta by g. I write separately. Here what is this r? Here r by 4. So root h1 h2 is equal r by 4. Therefore r is equal to 4 root h1 h2. See some more applications in the next board. Let us continue some more applications on this part 2. Here y is equal to, we wrote ax minus bx square. That is nothing but here a is tan theta, here b g by 2u square cos square theta, g by 2u square cos square theta. Let us some relations are there. These two combinedly gives h maximum, r maximum, time of flight and initial velocity. Let us see. From this angle of projection I am writing theta. Angle of projection, it is theta, is equal to tan inverse of A. Next, A by B we have to find, then what it gives we check. A by B, what is A? Sin theta, then it is tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta. B, G by 2u square cos square theta. See that cos theta and square gets cancelled. We will get u square sin 2u square sin theta, right? Cos theta, this goes to numerator, by G. So this is giving u square sin 2 theta by G. It is R. A by B, it gives range. Range R is equal to A by B. Next, A square by 4B, what it gives we check. A square by 4B. What is A square? Sin square theta by cos square theta by 4B. 4 into B, that is giving 2G by u square cos square theta. Right? I am writing as it is 4B. This. Okay? So here 2 ones are, 2 twos are. Next, what it gives? Cos square theta cancel. U square sin square theta by G, 2G. Right? U square sin square theta by 2G. It is giving H maximum. Right? A square by 4B is H maximum. So maximum height. Maximum height H max. It is A square by 4B. Let us see in the next board. See root 2A square by BG. What it gives? Root 2A square by BG. See root 2 into A square tan square theta sin square theta by cos square theta by B G by 2u square cos square theta into G. Okay, so this is cos square theta, denominator cancel. Next here this is G only. One more, this 2u square go to numerator, then it become 2u square into 2 sin square theta by next G into G square. What it gives? 2 twos are 4, comes out of the root, it become 2. U square, it become U. Sin square, it becomes sin theta. So G square, it becomes G. So this is giving what? Time of flight. So here time of flight, that is T is equal to root 2A square by BG. Okay. Next, one more thing, root G into 1 plus A square by 2B. Simplify G into 1 plus a square. A is tan theta. 1 plus tan square theta. This is 2 into g by 2u square cos square theta. 2u square cos square theta. Right. G gets cancelled. Then this under root, no? Right. This become secant square theta. It become 1 by cos square theta. Then what it becomes, you see that root over 1 plus tan square theta secant square theta by this 2 gets cancelled. It is 1 by u square cos square theta. Now this we can write 1 by cos square theta. Cos square theta cancel. This will go to numerator. Then it becomes u square. This gives root u square is nothing but u. Now this is giving velocity of projection. Velocity of projection. It is u. Have you got it? Thank you.